Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the energies coming to your love life this 2024. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see what are the energies coming to me each month, and it helps me align with whatever goals that I have for the month. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading.
Okay, Cancer, let's see anong energies na parating sa inyong love life ngayong 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And also, please check out my Shopee. Available mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see what's up. What's coming to your love life, Cancer, ngayong 2024. Saturn. Karmic energies. 4th house, roots. Sa family life ito, no? Scorpio. Transformation. Okay, I'm seeing some sort of drama sa home life ninyo, sa family life ninyo. Pwedeng magkaroon ng pwedeng misunderstanding or issues na may kinalaman sa parents mo, sa family mo, sa mga, pwede rin sa mga anak mo, just in case may mga anak ka na grown-ups na, no? Yeah, I think meron ditong kailangang i-work out, ayusin. Kasi yung iba sa family, maraming secrets or maraming mga hindi na pa-process na emotions or mga suppressed emotions, hindi na pag-uusapan, mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa isa't isa na hindi na pag-uusapan. So, this may create some drama sa inyo ngayong 2024. Let's see, ano pa. Tingnan natin yung overall energy ninyo. 10 of Wands, heavy load. Maaring marami kayong responsibilities sa trabaho, sa bahay, sa family ninyo, or even sa trabaho, 'di ba? Feeling nyo parang pasan nyo ang buong family. Yung iba siguro breadwinner. What is the 10 of Wands? 2 of Cups. Okay, some of you gusto nyo nang magkaroon ng relationship. Hindi naman ito magre-resonate para sa lahat, but I see someone na breadwinner sa family. Tapos ngayon, gusto na niya rin niyang mag-settle down, gusto na rin niyang magkaroon ng sarili niyang relationship, buhay, no? Kaya lang pwedeng merong mga family members na nakaasa pa rin sa'yo. And they don't like it somehow, na pwedeng ma-feel nila na parang kailangan ka pa rin nila, and naisip nila na baka pag nagsalo ka na, nagkaroon ka ng sarili mong asawa, relationship, or family, baka mapag-iwanan mo na sila or hindi mo na sila masuportahan. And that may create challenge in your relationship sa family mo. Pwede rin naman tong reverse energy sa partner mo naman to, na isang breadwinner, tapos ikaw yung karelasyon nyo ngayon na nagkakaroon ng issue sa kanyang family. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Cancer? 7 of Coins. Yung iba rito buntis. Pwedeng biglaang nabuntis, nakabuntis. So, ang iniisip nila ngayon ay kung paano, syempre malaking responsibility yan ang pagkakaroon ng anak, no? Lalo na sa panahon ngayon. It's very magastos. Pag may anak. So, ang challenge sa inyo ngayon, yung finances mo, no, maaring naapektuhan dahil marami ng responsibilities, hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, multiple responsibilities na kailangan mong harapin. What is your opportunity? The Knight of Swords. Meron kang opportunity na pag-usapan yung problema, no? Kumbaga ikaw na mismo yung manindigan, ikaw na yung manguna na mag-reach out, no, to someone na kailangan mong kausapin, especially sa family. To be the leader, na ikaw yung mag-guide sa kanila, ikaw yung magpapaintindi sa kanila. Kumbaga, instead na ikaw yung parang gumagatong sa problema, ikaw yung nag-aapula ng apoy. Oo. Kasi possible na talaga magkalabasan ng sama ng loob. Oo. Let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Cancer sa relationship? 9 of Coins. May rewards. Uy, okay. So, it's more of stability yung reward sa'yo rito. Oo. Financial na abundance, no, sa'yo, sa family mo, or sa kung may asawa ka, no. And I also see you na may ipaglalaban ka. Paglalaban mo yung happiness mo. Ipaglalaban mo yung freedom mo. Ipaglalaban mo kung ano yung sa tingin mo na makakabuti para sa nakararami. Yan. Let's see, ano pa. You also have the Butterfly, or relationship evolving to the next phase. Yes. So, yun na nga. Maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, and then you decided na mag-settle down, na mag-asawa na, tapos hindi pa ready yung family mo na i-let go ka. So, pwede talaga mag-create ng drama yan. Kasi I see naman, seryoso naman kayo ng person that you're dealing with, na gusto nyo na maging maayos yung buhay ninyo moving forward pag nagkasama na kayo. Yes, you are in love. Healing heart. Freedom from toxic relationship. Yung iba siguro you will try muna na umiwas sa mga toxic na tao sa buhay mo, like kung may mga toxic parents ka or someone na hindi naiintindihan yung pagbabago na ginagawa mo for yourself, for your relationship, iiwas ka muna. Para iwas na sa gulo. Oo. Let's see, ano pa, Cancer. Practice compassion, see things from a fresh perspective. So, yung iba naman sa inyo rito, malawak yung pangunawa nyo sa sitwasyon. Naiintindihan nyo kung saan sila nanggagaling, saan nanggagaling yung feelings mo, feelings niya, ng family mo. So, para sa'yo, gusto mo lang magkaintindihan lahat Love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Ayan. So, kailangan lang, time. Para makapag-heal ang bawat isa. Alam niyo, nakikita kong energy rito. Parang sa relationship ni Matteo Guidicelli tsaka ni Sarah Geronimo, no? So, kung hindi niyo alam yung nangyari sa kanila, most likely ganito yon. Yeah, kasi si Sarah yung breadwinner, tapos ngayon gusto na niya mag-settle down, tapos nagkaroon ng issue sa family. Ganon. Kasi ayaw siyang i-let go ng family niya. So, pero pinanindigan niya si Mateo. Ganong energy. Okay. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan niyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.